This video right here is going to talk about every feature you need to know about YouTube Music. It's very simple and easy. I'm going to walk you guys through everything you need to know, every feature you need to know about YouTube Music. So now let's not waste any time and let's start with our tutorial. So when you launch your YouTube Music, you first hop on your home like this. So on your home, you are going to see a lot of playlists, singles and albums and featured. So all these are type of music that are created from your YouTube history, something like that. So you see these are Nigerian songs, Squash and all. These are all people I listening to. Bobby Shmurda, these are all people I listen to, Masika and all that. So these are all type of music I listen to on my YouTube, and that's why they've been able to create something like this for me. So on here, you can select your moods here. You can see moods on top there. You can see energize, feel good, workout and relax. You can select all of that. So when you select workout, you're going to get some sort of music that you can use to work out, something like that. Now let's try to open a music. So we open the one I'm playing here. Good. So there is one thing you should know. It's just like YouTube. Anytime you try to open a music, you're going to see an ad. Yeah. So you can see the ad there, online MBA. So if you are not on premium, anytime you're going to see an ad. And now let's check the features you see here. Let me slide for you guys to see. So on here, you can see the like and dislike there, just like on YouTube. So when you like it, when you go on YouTube, you're going to see that you've given this song a like on YouTube too as well. And these are the comments. So these comments are from YouTube. Yeah. So you can tap on that and enter your comments and it's going to reflect on YouTube, something like that. So now let me close it. Good. I think you know about this feature, and this is save if you want to create a playlist. So let's say you are listening to this song and you like it. Me, myself, I've created a playlist. Good. So I tap on it and you can see this song is on my Afro. Yeah. So to create a playlist, you tap on that there. You can make your playlist private, public, or anything of your choice. So you can see here. Yeah. On list, private and all that. You can give your playlist a description and all that. So when you tap on your playlist, you listen to some type of music you want to listen to. Now you can also share as well, just like on YouTube. You can download if you're on YouTube Premium. Yeah. So when I tap on the download, they're going to tell me I need to be on Premium before I can get that feature. And the radio, you can also add it to your radio too as well. Simple and easy. Now let's come down here to the features, and you can see shuffle here. When you tap on that, you're going to shuffle. Good. So the shuffle is going to take effect on the up next here. Good. So it's going to shuffle in that way. You get it. Now let's come down here and you can see repeat. So if you want to repeat a particular song for a lot of time, like loop it, you just tap on this here, the loop button there, and you can see repeat one. If you want to turn it off, you just tap on that. And now let's move to the features below here. Let's scroll up. So you tap on up next. Yeah. So up next, you're going to see the songs that are going to play immediately after the song you're listening to ends. So you can tap on this side here to drag them. Yeah. So let's say after listening to the Getting Paid, I want to listen to Ashake's Gangster song. So I just drag. You can see, yeah, just put your hands on it and just drag on top, and yeah. That's it. I need to drag again, and I think this is okay. And if I want to pick another song from here, okay, Jamal Make Money, it's not bad. So I just drag and I'm good to go. And now to, get access to the lyrics of the song you are listening to, you can see this is the lyrics of the song. Yeah. So it's just like on Spotify. If you start playing it, the marker will be moving and you'll be tracking every part of the song you've reached. Related is going to do something like recommendation. Yeah. The type of music you're listening to. So there's an Afrobeat, so definitely you're going to be recommended with some Nigerian boys. So you can see Nigerian Afrobeat type of thing, and there's a Nigerian artist, a female. Yeah. So that's it about the home. I think I've talked about everything you need to know about the home. And also you can also search. You can see the search button here. So if you want to listen to a particular artist, so you just tap on that here. You have some related searches according to things you search. Yeah, I'm sure. So let's say I want to search for Squash. Yeah. Good. So I tap on him here. I'm going to get access to everything about him, and I can even subscribe to his channel on here. Good. So there's the artist. So I just tap on the artist. Good. So I just tap on the artist profile, just like on Spotify. Good. And you can see the monthly listeners and all that. You can subscribe. This is the subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, and these are singles, and albums, and all that is EPs and all that, and even videos. You can even play videos on here too as well. If you want to watch the songs and the videos as well, you can also do that. So now I think we are done with the home page. Now let's move to the samples. So samples is just like on Spotify. Yeah, so this is trying to promote some sort of music. So now let's tap on that, and I'm going to pause it immediately because it's like short. Good. So on the samples here too, it's like they're trying to promote some sort of music that are very much popular. So when you tap on the play, it's going to redirect you to this original song. So this is like a short that's trying to promote the main song here. You can like, you can give a comment, you can add to your playlist and all that. You can even add it to your short too as well. Now let's move to the explore. So the explore tool is not anything complicated. You can see new releases, you can see your chat, you can see mode and genres as well. So the mode, you can select your mode you're in. Let's say you want to work out, energize, you are sad, blah blah blah. That's mood here. And then the genres to 2000 party and all that here. So according to things you've listened in the past, and you also have chat here, albums, singles, and new releases and all that. So with the chat, you can choose every country and get to know the trending songs, something like that. So I choose Australia, and you see the chat is going to reload and give me the trending songs there, something like that. Good. And also the singles and new releases, just like I was saying, yeah, you just tap on that and you are going to see the popular ones, once you've listened according to your history, and also recommended ones they feel you would listen to according to your history. And now you move to your library. On your library, you can also do a lot here. So on your library, you can also tap on your library here to get access to songs you've downloaded. Good. So if you have YouTube Premium and you've downloaded some music, you can tap on this here and you can get access to songs you've downloaded. And also this is your library. Good. When you tap on the library here you can get access to songs you've liked. So when you tap on that auto playlist, if you like any song, it's going to generate an auto playlist, something like that. So you can see these are songs I've listened on YouTube and I've liked them. Yeah, that's why you can find all these songs them here. Good. Now let's come back. And you can also create a playlist from this side too by tapping on that plus button there, and you tap on the playlist and you create a new playlist, public and all that. You add description, you're good to go. And also you can find or get access to your history musics you've listened to on your YouTube Music by tapping on this here. Good. So when you tap on that, you're going to get access to your history, every song you've listened to on YouTube Music, today, yesterday, date by date, just like on YouTube. Very, very simple and easy. And also the upgrade here is going to, help you get access to the YouTube Premium. If you want to, you are going to watch ad free. Yeah, and you're also going to be able to play the songs in background. You can download them and play them offline too as well. Yeah, so I think this is a beginner's guide, everything you need to know about the YouTube Music app. Very, very simple and easy. If you want to get into it more complicated stuff, you can tap on your account here and then you move to your settings. You get it. So with the settings here, you can get access to a lot of things. Good. You can see notification, playback, and all that, data saving and all that. So that's it on how you can use the YouTube Music app. Very, very simple and easy, beginner's guide. And I think I've talked about a few things when it comes to the pro side. If you're new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.